Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export chat history on Telegram. So for this, you have to install Telegram on your PC and then connect this app to your mobile. So after connecting, go to the chat that you want to export. I'm going to export this chat here. After this, you will see the three dots. Tap on this and tap on the third number, export chat history. From here, select what you want to export like photos, videos, voice or video messages. And here is the option size limit. You can also arrange the size limit of your file by yourself just by swiping this line to the right side. When you set the size limit of your file, the file whose size is higher than the limit will not be exported. So put the size by yourself, like I will set this to 8 MB and then select one of these. After selecting, you will find the option export. Tap on this. As you can see, it starts exporting and it will take a while. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.